I'm up, I'm moving, we're gonna be good today. Today's goal is to get this house spick and span. I know that seems like a goal every single time that I vlog here. I'm sorry, I like a clean house. And it's really hard to keep this house clean, especially when, you just want to sit and relax for once. But that's going to be tomorrow and Tuesday. I'm not going to be cleaning at all those days. And yeah, I'm going to make this house look nice. So I just wanted to get this on film real quick. That's Leo's girlfriend. Leo, do you have a girlfriend? Allison's awesome. You know why Allison's awesome? Da, da, da. Ah! Allison's buying me frozen yogurt. Yay! Ah! Earthquake. Frozen yogurt, frozen yogurt, frozen yogurt, frozen yogurt, frozen yogurt! I have red mango. I have red mango with sprinkles and mochi. I'm so spoiled. This is a durable sword. Give me my sword! It's mine! Give it to me! Spin me. Spin you? Alright, hang on tight. Hold on. I might actually have to do it like this. I let go of the sword. No, no. Hang on tight. Ready? Allison, put on your ring. Stop laughing to put it on! Oh my god, you're back! Is it bad that it's not until probably 5 or 6 minutes before I go to bed that I realize I haven't vlogged all day? It's very bad. Yeah, you're a horrible vlogger. Very bad. Such a horrible vlogger. It's okay. We're still entertaining, right? We like watching ghosty stories.
No, I hate watching ghosty stories.
You love it. It's because you're missing an arm. Your arm is a ghost.
That arm is that is a real thing that happens, and you should not kid about it. I think my arm is still there. Look, I feel like I can use it. Oh wait, I can.
It's just a stump. Ha ha. Leo, it's time for bed. Say night night. Bye.